Feel like it's been a long while now since you've been gone. Maybe it's cause we had sex the time it was too damn. Don't let me stop too bad. Let me take it off for you. Who else is gonna be a man to you? I know it.
What's up, pretty people? So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial. If I say hair tutorial, not a hair tutorial, but a makeup tutorial. You guys requested the look that I did on my Sling and Slay updated video with the little pink inner corner. You guys have been asking me to actually do a full makeup tutorial on that, and I am here on today to do that for you. Are you ready? Okay, so I already did the eyebrows, got those babies out the way because it takes me a little bit longer to do them now. I think because they're a little bit bushy. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to prep the eyelid. I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer, you know, the OG of all concealers, in NW35. And I'm going to be taking a flat synthetic brush and just patting this color all over. I'm gonna like just try to blend it out with the flat concealer brush. Don't worry about it being neat because it's going to be blended out with a different brush. So okay, so next I'm going to be taking the Morphe M173 brush. So it's like a dense brush like this, like so. And I'm just gonna blend the concealer to get it all even. God has blessed me with the natural smoky eyelids, you know, and sometimes we just gotta cover up those bad boys to make them like a one solid color so that these eyeshadows can pop. You feel me? Okay. Alright, so see how that brush blended out perfectly. We're gonna go right into the color. I'm gonna be using MAC Malt eyeshadow. I have definitely hit pan, so I don't really want to show you guys because there's really not much to see. But it looks like this. It's like ooh, you can't even, my lights are bright. It's a very like nude, okay, you can see right here. Okay, it's a very like, you see the outer rim of this? It's a very nude color. So we're gonna place this all over the lid. I'm gonna be using my Sigma SS252 brush, and we're just going to pat it on. Tropic palette, which I kind of fell in love with, surprisingly. So I'm going to take Sahara color. It's this color right here, this tanned fleshy tone, and I'm going to put this in my crease with the Morphe M576 brush. No, I'm not, because that's still wet. Okay, I'm going to take my Royal and Langnickel crease brush. Ooh, the words have. Okay, it's the crease brush by Royal and Langnickel. This brush is bomb too, so it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to add this into my crease like so, ever so slightly. So if you can tell the difference, I can see it because I guess it's my face, but this side is blended. Let me see. Okay, this side is that light in the way? I need to like this. Okay, so this side is blended and this side is not. Can you tell? So it's very important to blend out your eyeshadows. Very important, okay? Very important. Importante. Now for the fun part. Alright, so let me clean up a little bit. Let me move this here, move that there. That scared me a little bit. That was my phone. We're going to take the concealer yet again. And the same concealer brush. We're going to dip it into the concealer just a little bit like that. Pat the excess. Pat the excess on the back of our hand. And we're going to apply this to our inner corners. Now, I feel like I have weird inner corners. I don't know. It just doesn't look right with everything. Like, I can't always do like an inner highlight because it just doesn't. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, or maybe it's my actual eye shape. it just, sometimes it goes, sometimes it don't. I'm gonna take the same brush, it's going to kind of pat it, to kind of blend it out just a little bit. All right, we're gonna take the fun color, which is the MAC. Shoot, I gotta look it up because they don't even sell it anymore. Okay, so this pigment is called Magenta Madness. So I still have like a sample of it, but it's super, okay, let me bring it back. Girl, we already knew. So see how hot pink my nails are? It matches my nails. And it's like a super pink matte color. They don't sell this anymore. So you can use, you know, hot pink eyeshadow, whatever you have. You can even change the color if you want to. I'm going to be taking the Morphe M213 brush in that hot pink, and then I'm just going to pat it where we put the concealer. Now you do have to build this color up and make sure you're applying it right on top of the concealer. It's a little weird now, but it's gonna look cute at the end. Don't worry. Next, I'm going to just wipe off the brush, and then I'm just going to blend it in with that nude color, so it's not like any harsh lines. You don't want to, so kind of just blend the edges, okay? That's what I'm trying to say, because we're going to be adding more color too later. Okay, next what you're going to do is you're going to put on your eyelashes and your eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we got our liner and lashes on, it's time for the foundation. I'm going to be using my J Manual Deep Filter Finish Collection Skin Perfector Foundation in the shade Deep Filter 3. I'm normally Deep Filter 2, but I ran out of that color, so I just do the 3 and then I just lighten it up with concealer and everything. So I really like this concealer. Like, this concealer is bomb if you like full coverage, my guy. Like, this is lit, because I still have acne scars, you know, so I like to keep them covered until they're all gone. So I'm going to take my damp beauty blender and apply this foundation all over. Okay, so I'm going to use the J Manual Beauty Filter Finish Collection Photo Illusion Concealer in Airbrush Cocoa. Some of this stuff, if you have watched my videos, you know that I have been using these for like this brand for a couple of years. This is a full coverage concealer as well. Ooh. I almost squirted in my paws. I like it because it's full coverage and it's not drying. And it has like the applicator where I'm not even adding more product. I'm just moving it around and make sure I'm spreading out the product so I don't have to add more. Because it has like that eye cooler type of tip. So yeah, I'm going to take my beauty blender and we're going to blend her out. We're going to add a little bit of contour. You know how I like to do because I have a chubby face. I'm going to add my J Manual contour stick in the shade Tan. I am running out. And I'm just going to add this to the face. Just like this, and blend it out with the beauty blender. Okay, so when that's like almost blended, I'm gonna take the Fenty matchstick in the shade Caramel, and I'm just gonna go right under my contour for that sharp look. That's it. And blend it out with the Beauty Blender. It's kind of, our base is kind of looking like, you know, something. Make sure you take your brush and get on the sides of that nose, girl. You don't want it to look, you know, unblended on the sides of your nose. Make sure you get that. I'm going to be setting with my Ben Nye banana powder. Yes, almost forgot the name of it. I'm gonna take the same Beauty Blender and just set under the eye. Okay, and then I'm going to set the other places where we added the concealer. So I have smile lines. Nothing really stops that from creasing unless I get fillers or something. They just gonna be there. Okay, so while we're baking, we're gonna do the nose contour. Something light, nothing crazy. I'm gonna take the J Manual contour stick, and I'm going to be taking like a, what is this brush called? A large concealer brush, and just tap it, and then tap the excess off. And we're just gonna be very careful with just carving out the shadow that we wanna create. I'm just gonna do it like right here. I feel like this is way better than just taking the stick and just going womp womp. Cause child, sometimes that's not always nice to blend out, you feel me? So if you just take your time and do it like that, bam. I will go in more detail if you want me to. This is like just a little quick version. So let me know down in the comment section below. We're going to add the bottom, what do you call it? The lower lash color? Lower lash line shadow? Waterline? Eyeshadow? I had a brain fart. What is it called? We're gonna add the lower line. No, we're gonna add the waterline. Boy, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be using the NYX Ultra Pearl Mania pigment. The name rubbed off. This is hella old. Okay, so we're gonna add the purple to our lower lash line. Oh, let me zoom you guys in. Sorry. Manners. My bad. Now you're going to. I'm having brain farts. What are you gonna do? Line, your waterline. And I'm using this Urban Decay pencil in Perversion. Yeah. I'm not gonna take this to the inner corner because I just don't like the way that looked, but you know, do you boo. Take the same brush and I'm just going to blend that black into the purple so it just doesn't look harsh. Add a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash, the Old Faithful mascara that never does you wrong, ever. It's great for on the go or prepping your eyelashes for falsies, whatever you want to do. This mascara always comes through. Oh, let's clean up the baking session. I'm going to be taking my MAC powder in C8 and my MAC brush in, this is the Old Faithful too. I think it's 103 or 113, one of those. And I'm just going to dust off the powder while adding a little bit of color. Gonna add a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna be taking the CoverGirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Experts cheek palette, and this is in the shade Bronze Flame, and it looks like this. Okay, let me back it on up. It looks like this. Yeah. So I'm gonna be taking the gold color and this color. Yeah, man. These are really good highlighters. Like, okay, cover girl. The most either, so just like a little bit. No? Just a little bit while I keep adding. And don't forget the nose. And the cupid's bow. Are we starving yet? There we go. Come on, like. How you doing over there? Alright, so okay, now for the lips, I'm gonna wipe off that foundation. Those I'm gonna line them with a little bit of potent. I'm gonna line my lips with the J Manual Potent color. Awesome. And then next I'm gonna be taking Velvet Teddy by MAC. I'm gonna be taking Angel by MAC, the lip gloss. And just place it in the center. Yeah. This is definitely my type of lip combo. Well, this was fun. No, I'm kidding. But I had a blast recreating this with you guys. Thank you so much for requesting it. That really warmed my spirit. So happy. But yeah, I just randomly just did this look and you guys really liked it in the video, so here you go, all the details and everything. All right, if you are new, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, hit that subscribe button and join the garden on today. Thank you. It's getting hard out here in this YouTube world, but yes, subscribe and also hit the little bell button for the notifications, because you might not see my video in your subscription area, so make sure you hit that bell so you can know every time I upload, okay? Because it's gonna always be something good. All right, I always ask you guys in the community community section what you guys want to see, and I always kind of, you know, keep you guys updated and everything in the community section on my YouTube page, so make sure you check that out as well, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.